hola ugesi.
Private research spenda safe. Abomeme sesibantwana eziwathatha njengabazali. Abaphathi njengabantwana babo nabo. Umntwana masadle ngesikole ngisithini. Mesilela lokho ngikho
Kanti Mbukeli sike sahlala nabo abantu abasha basePhola. Sadingida lolu daba kabanzi.
Sanibingelela babukela emakhaya sanamukela ku-Imperial 2230 podcast. Today sinevakashi zethu ebezi-imbage kule march calling for justice for uCwecwe. Bazozi-introduce kibo nga-one by one. Sizocala ngabo sisikhona.
Okay, mina igama lami uThando Nkosi. Yeah, bangibiza ngoLithilo nickname yami. So yeah, le event le beyimi organizile noPhadaska noSiyabonga ukuthi like bazokwazi ukusisiza ukuthi ijustice ibe served for uCwecwe.
Okay, ngimkhulu wena.
Mina igama lami uSiyabonga waMkhanidi. Nami ngibambisene noPhadaska noThando mayelana nayo le march ijustice for uCwecwe. Because ngiyabona kwezinye indawo bayayenza. Nathi ngibona ukuthi ngcono siyenze yabona. Sifake nathi isandla.
Okay, okay.
What's up, good people? It's a boy, uPhadaska. Niyazi bafethu. This march it was about raising awareness. Dide ngifike ngoThando no boys here ngathi since this thing concern everyone asingene njengomuntu promoter marketer ngipushe siyenze isithing sithi justice for uCwecwe sponsor support.
Thanks for the sisimkhulu.
Sanibonani, igama lami uEbony Nkantuli. Ngi-finalist World Imperial Beauties. I'm a model and a community builder. So nami I decided to take part kule march beyenzeka because it was not about uCwecwe kuphela. Today we were remembering everyone ondlule kuyo yonke lento le endlule kuCwecwe.
Okay. Thanks sisimkhulu. Ijustice iserve uCwecwe because ama cases aso avelile before i-country kazi the way ime ngakhona manje. Yini senikwatisile senifuna iphele lento okwenzakalayo.
Lento le isikwatise kakhulu because thina ngisho masikhula basitshela ukuthi indawo yeso asihambi kizo kusele sigcoke in a certain way. Umntwana lo uyagcoke kahle, agcoke uniform asesikoleni endaweni esazi ukuthi kosela be safe kiyo, and yet khona lapho kule ndawo le kosela be safe kiyo uba assaulted. Like iyasilimaza kakhulu, and futhi nale part le ukuthi just because kuthi kuze local justice ibe served ne kosele sane petition for what good reason, because umntwana sekalimelile at the end of the day. Thina kosele sane petition so that icala lakhe lizothatha serious. Why is our local system failing us kangaka? Like it's so sad. Solanka stalin ukuthi sign petition, the perpetrator uyophinda ayenze umunye umntwana.
So is the system in general or bias to kunabantu bafavorishayo mangabe bama victim bona then umthetho ya actor fast or ku right the country yonkinto ikhwali.
Mina I feel like justice system yethu yasifela kakhulu because now tuthatha ukubheka from laba abanye bakudala and nabo bavelelwe izinto ezifana nezakaCwecwe. Justice has not been served ever since. For example, abo uyinene izinto ezinjengalezo. So I feel like justice system yethu iyasifela esikhathini esiningi thina as abantu abamnyama, and especially futhi abantu besifazane aba-go through gender-based violence.
So what might be the root cause lento kwenza kangaka eyokuhlukumezeka abantu besifazane, because akusima campaign kuphela bo Facebook like literal abantu baba victimized abantu especially besifazana abanye azange bakhulume abanye sikhuluma bayahlukumezeka even uyaphambili ngaba yini inkinga yini bafethu eyenza ukuthi amajida agcine sewayenza so abantwana
ayikho reason yokwenza lento le kusho umuntu usuke nje vele ingqondo yakhe mhlawumbe ingasebenzi angeke ubone umntwana omncane or ubone nje umfazi bese ubone ukuthi ngomthatha advantage kuye for yamsiza umuntu bese expect ukuthi yena alale nawe at the end of the day nangafuni i-rape nakhona why khona mos izindawo la umuntu angayothenga khona i-rape than ukuthi azathatha izinto ngenkani i-wrong leyo.
Mina kokunye ngibona ngathi bazali kwesinye isikhathi the way basikhulisa ngakhona. If you are raising a boy child kusele umtshele ukuthi as a boy child intombazana kusele uyihloniphe, you know, you must protect intombazana. Hayi ukuthi atheke ushaye. Abanye bafunde ekhaya, let's say ubaba ushaya umama phambi komntwana. You understand? Wena as a boy child uyabona ukuthi okay kushisa abantu besifazane sibashisa kanje. So this thing kusele iqale ekhaya ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuyikhiphela kahle ngaphandle. Maye ekhaya, mayimosheke ekhaya, mawufika ngaphandle uyomosha wonke umuntu. Of which is wrong.
That means a problem ingaba ukuthi amadoda abafana bane okunye then sibe ikhiphele abantweni besifazane. So umbuzo wami now ukuthi masise esikolweni basifundisa nge-50-50 singabantwana babafana namantombazana si-equal. Then but outside go real life usithola ukuthi abantu besifazane bahlukumezeka. Then sekuba nama measures afakwayo afana nokuthi women empowerment and ngibona ngathi mina iphinde ayikwenzi lokuthi lethi trauma ebafanele sifunde si2 after school so exposed to opportunities than umfana in the name of women empowerment, hence abayicompare namadoda angabantu besilisa abangabantu abamnyama abantu abakupower abantu besilisa ababelungu thina singabantu abamnyama sonke safana. Yini cause le problem i-anger akusi system of government?
Singasho ukuthi izinto ezilila, so there are many factors njengoba siba phawulile abafethu nabo sisibethu ukuthi like ezizinto kunalento esibiza ngama past traumas, you understand? Umntana ethu you understand ngoba nami one thing ngizoba nomntana intombazana if lento angisukumeli, you understand? Nomuntu onomntana intombazana waridi maye ukuthi maringane yami, you understand? And ayikho into eyenza ukuthi amantombazana are because there's no right person in his mind ongaforce umuntu ukuthi alale naye, especially umntwana. Mawuphile kahle la engqondweni angeke ubone umntwana njengomuntu ongalala naye. Sengiyasho so abantu abaningi balimele but then sibabona ngathi banomali. So into esingayenza we are raising awareness, siyaqhubeka siyakhombisa country, sikhombisa nomhlaba ukuthi azini we are tired of this thing. No justice is failure, at least as much as there's something about it, sikhombisa ukuthi asijabula
Because justice here in the city thembile ukuthi ngasilwela ngasilamulela into
yeah.
Hence you were saying ukhuluma ukuthi abafana because khona nama cases wabafana let's say ba rape umfana because akusintombazana kuphela rape nabafana bayakhona ukuba rape. Hence why I'm saying ukuthi njoba senza sokuthi wena khona umuntu manje njoba kenziwa lento yaqhubeka athi mina ngizala abantwana babafana kuphela so I won't go there, I won't support this. Kosele nazi ukuthi nabafana nabo they can be assaulted. Like kosele uyisupportele lento le or if akusu nabantwana babafana ubona zange ba assaulted umntana komfana uzozala naye umntana intombazana naye bazom-assault. So this thing really it's very much touching, it's very much personal because akusi into ezithinta umntwana omncane kuphela, akusi into ethinta umfana kuphela, isithinta sonke ezonkulu nabogogo abadala. Khona nobogogo umuntu asukela yo-rape ugogo kudala, umuntu asukela yo-rape umuntu ambona ukuthi akekho right la engqondweni because unalento lokuthi lo angeke kakhulume, you understand? Lo mdala ngeke acoce, lo mncane angeke acoce njengoba maye ahambile wayozama umntwana ona-7 years old unalento lokuthi akazi nokuthi kenzakalani, yabo?
Hey Babuke, nanazwela-ke young people taking a stance, calling for justice yakacwecwe. Si-proud ngalento eniyenzile. Nanoma ngabe uyenza le case yenzakale le kwenye province but ni voice ama-voices wenu nikhona la iPola. Lokho ku-important. Kuyathembisa ukuthi senabantu abasha abangasinikisa samose i-country. Sisho sesivala ngoba ngikhathele
isikhathele
amazwi wakho okugcina sesomkhulu sesiyivala nje nge-1 minute.
amazwi wami wokugcina mina into engizoyisho ukuthi I believe ukuthi esikhathini samanje njengoba kwenzakala izinto eziso eSouth Africa akumelanga abantu ekumele babe affected kube ma victims kuphela nama-perpetrators now they should reflect on themselves babone ukuthi lento le isihlukumeza kanjani ihlukumeza kangakanani nabantwana abantu besifazane nawo wonke umuntu o-against i-gender-based violence. So it's not supposed to be ama-victims kuphela akhalayo ngalento. Even the perpetrators need to take action ukuthi bastop into abayenzayo because ayikho right yes affecta sonke as abantu base-South Africa, not imphakathi kuphela but everyone is affected. So ama-perpetrators now needs to do something about behavior.
Oh, but in about 1994 they were fighting for the freedom. Kodwa mina ngibona ngathi we are still captured. We might not be captured physically, but ngibona ngathi mentally we are captured. So against such things, fights against EGPV. Le case lena ngiyazi ukuthi maningi ama-case ayenzakalile kodwa mayisibonile ukuthi it's high time because ekubeni as ngi-out this thing yakhombisa ukuthi no silelana nezinto ngoba ama-ultimathula kulezinto kusho ukuthi no I support ukuthi it's okay for umuntu omdala labe nengane so kumele ngi-out ngiyazi enough is enough. So ngithi balaleli asilweni sithi justice for Cwecwe. It's your boy Phalaska signing out.
With the good thanks.
Mina message nginayo emajibheni ukuthi bafethu nani khona nabantu laba bathembele kithi ukuthi sibavikele. Siyazibona ngezinye inkathi banokwenza izinto ezingekho grand ezingasijabulisi. Mara kumele sibavikele ngoba bosisi bethu abanye abantwana bethu nabazali bethu futhi mabazohlukunyezwa yithi kubla kumele babalekele khona futhi. Asibhekeni lento leyo. Danke.
Kuyoba nini isikhala? Kuyoba nini silwa into eyi-1? Kuyoba nini futhi thina ezamantombazana all the time like we must be careful yokuthi ngase kenzeke into so we understand and at the end of the day labantu laba sibabiza ngabobhuti bethu abobabethu. Kuyoba nini ukuthi thina every time siyakhala asisakhona ukuba yithi because kunabantu abangazazi sibafunani. So we're saying enough, like we're tired. I see ukudla kwenu thina. I saw a poster kulento le ethi justice for Cwecwe. Someone was saying ukuthi umuntu uyamcela. Yabo? And futhi mina la South Africa, what I know about like South Africa, like it's a free country. Yabo? You can find people. Njengoba someone khona shilo la ukuthi khona abantu abathengayo abayenzayo. Like you can go there and buy. Yabo? Then bese ukuthi uzuhlukele umuntu uzambule estradini aka-attract noku-attracta. Yabo? Akayenzi nento yokuthi ofukhethile or something, no nothing. Wena just nje uyahamba ukuthi lo mangamenza so kuyenzakala ufila njani like wena ungafila njani bayenze njalo umamakho, ungafila njani bayenze umntana wakho njalo. So guys, we tired, we're saying enough is enough.